In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively schedule a meeting using Microsoft Teams. Whether you're coordinating with colleagues or planning a catch-up with friends, scheduling in Teams can streamline your communication process. Let's dive in. To get started, it's okay to head over to Microsoft Teams and log into your account. You can do this from any web browser by visiting Teams, Microsoft.com. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. You'll notice a sidebar on the left, which is home to all the key features you'll be using today. In that sidebar, look for the three dots, typically known as More Options, and give it a click. This will expand a menu that provides access to additional functionalities. From this menu, select Meet. This is where you'll manage all your meeting activities. Now locate the New Meeting button and click on it. This is your starting point for organizing a new gathering. Once you've done that, you'll be prompted to enter a title for your meeting. Think of this as the meeting's headline. So try to make it descriptive yet concise. A well-chosen title helps participants understand the meeting's purpose at a glance. Adding attendees is the next step, but remember, this part is optional. If you choose to add participants, you can easily type their names or email addresses into the designated field. Teams will auto-suggest options based on your contact list, which is a handy feature to speed up the process. However, if you're still finalizing the guest list, feel free to skip this step for now. Next, direct your attention to the timing section. Set the time and date for your meeting by using the drop-down menus. Make sure you're considering all participants' time zones to avoid any confusion. If your meeting is intended to run the whole day, be sure to toggle on the all-day option, which simplifies setting extensive meeting durations. Some meetings recur regularly, and Teams accommodates this nicely. If it's a repeating event, take advantage of the recurrent settings. You can customize how often it repeats, be it daily, weekly, or monthly. Speaking of structure, consider your channel selection. You have the option to add a channel to your meeting. This means the meeting will be associated with that specific group or team, making it more accessible for the relevant participants. For those organizing an online meeting, you'll see settings on the right side. Here you can define who has the privilege to bypass the lobby. This is crucial for managing who can immediately join and who needs to wait for the host's approval. Moreover, you can automatically turn on recording and transcriptions for the meeting in advance. This is particularly valuable if you want to ensure that all discussions are captured for future reference. Once everything is set up to your liking, be sure to explore More Options where you can fine-tune meeting specifics under Meeting Options. Don't forget to click Apply to save your settings. Finally, consider setting an agenda, adding meeting notes, or planning follow-up tasks directly in Teams. This adds a layer of organization that can greatly improve meeting effectiveness. And there you have it, a perfectly scheduled meeting in Microsoft Teams.